In this beginner-friendly episode, Andrew and Liza guide you step by step on how to introduce yourself confidently in English, whether you're meeting someone for the first time, starting a class, or joining a new group. This episode will give you the exact words, examples, and pronunciation tips you need. It's simple, fun, and designed just for English learners.
Hi there, and welcome to English Elevator. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. We're so happy you're here with us for episode 2.
Today, we're talking about something super important for English beginners: how to introduce yourself.
Yes, we all need to introduce ourselves at school, work, online, or even just making new friends.
Let's start with the basics. If someone says, "Hi, what's your name?" you can say, "My name is Andrew," or simply, "I'm Andrew."
Easy, right? Now let's try it. Hi, my name is Liza. Nice to meet you.
And I would say, "Hi, I'm Andrew. Nice to meet you too."
Let's add a few more details. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Brazil. I like reading and listening to music.
You don't have to say everything, just what you're comfortable with. Here's a full example. Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Canada. I like cooking and watching movies.
Now it's your turn. Say it out loud with us.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll ask questions, and you answer with your own info. What's your name?
I'm Liza.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
What do you like to do?
I like painting and playing the guitar. Great job. And don't worry about making mistakes. Just keep practicing.
So today, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English: your name, age, country, and hobbies.
Remember, keep it simple. Speak slowly and smile.
Thanks for learning with us today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share this episode with a friend.
And don't forget, practice makes progress. See you in the next episode.